Question 10, Part A. Ibra bought a house for £145,000. I would like to know where Ibra bought that house from. I haven't seen one for under... Well, I suppose it might get one for that amount of money. The value of the house depreciated. Depreciate means goes down, and I always draw a box or visualize a box with the price of that house. It was worth 100%. It's depreciated, so it's gone down by 4%. Chop the corner off, so it looks like 96% of the value of the house is left. Put 96 shift ands % into the calculator, and it's a 0.96. 96% is 0.96. That is called my multiplier. The value of the house depreciated by 2.5% in the second year. This house is having a bad time of it. Again, a box with 100% in. That's the whole value of the house. Chop the corner off. Away goes 2.5%. So this time 97.5% is left of the value of the house. Pop it in the calculator. My multiplier for the second year is 0.975. So let's work out what the house is worth. Started off at 145,000. You could do this sum in 2 bits, or you could do it in 1 bit. I'm going to go straight for the full sum. We'll times it by, for the first year, the multiplier 0.96. And for the second year, we'll multiply it by 0.975. Once again, you can do this in 2 stages, but 1 stage also works. Pop that in the calculator, and it tells me the value of the house is 135,720. Ibra says 4 plus 2.5 is 6.5, so in 2 years the value of my house will depreciate by 6.5%. Let's see whether Ibra's right. The house was originally 100%. Ibra is claiming it has lost 6.5%, leaving me 100 minus 6.5 is 93.5%. 0.935 is the multiplier. So I'll get that original value of the house, that 145,000, and we'll test whether Ibra's right or not. 145,000 times 0.935 is 135,575. So, is Ibra correct? Ibra says it's worth £135,575. It's actually worth £135,720. Is Ibra right? No. Must give a reason for your answer. Well, I would say it is worth £135,720, not £135,575. The actual house is £135,720. Part B. The value of Ibra's house increases by X% in the third year. Again, I'll draw my box. The house was worth 100%. This time it's had X% added. So I'll add a box next to it. We've got 100 plus X%. That's my multiplier. I'm not sure what I can do with that X, but never mind. Work out the value of X. Well, at the end of the second year, on part A of the question, if you remember, it said the house was worth £135,720. And what I'll do, I'll multiply that by my multiplier, which looks a bit fiddly up here. 100 plus X%. And I know the answer to that question. At the end of the third year, the value of the house is equals 140,000. Once again, grab the Casio FX991EXs and just type it in. 135,720 times 100 plus X percent. Alpha calc, 140,000. Shift calc equals, and it tells me X is 3.15355 ... goes on and on for a bit. Question does say give my answer to 3 sig figs. I've got full marks on it probably anyway, but the 3 most important numbers are the 315. 3's not big and brave enough to push 5 up, so 3.15%.